Like, it's overrated. Like, yo. Anyway, does it taste like mango or what?
Mchagulie yenye imeiva.
God, you know how much I love you. Please don't let me die. Don't let me die. Oh my God. This is it, guys. Let's do a countdown up to 3. No, up to 5. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0.
Jesus!
Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I am Kanje, Destiny with Kanje. Thank you for coming to this channel to watch my videos. If you're new here, please subscribe. It's free of charge to subscribe. It supports my channel. Guys, today I want to try something that I've never tried. Like, my mom used to tell me I used to eat a lot of avocados when I was young, but me I can't remember because the last time I checked, I was so young, and when I ate avocado, I was like, yuck. I hated it. It was like yuck. So for like many years, like many years, I've not tasted avocado because I feel like it tastes yuck every time. Even when someone gives me some food and it has avocado and I realize there's avocado, I just vomit. So today I want to try and taste an avocado and see if I can, I can start that journey of enjoying avocados, because most of my friends, even my daughter, loves avocado, and I'm like, what do you find in avocado? What's the fun in it? So let me try today, and I'm going to try it with you guys. So let's go to the kibanda or to the market and purchase some avocado, and let's do this challenge, guys. I know someone there at Utawala, there at Benedicta, who has a mkokoteni, a cart there, and he put some avocados, some nice avocados and bananas there. Let's go and check them out. Oh guys, I'm already just pray for me, guys. Can I do this? Can I do this? Oh my God, am I going to die? Let's go, guys.
Ni how much over? Mchagulie yenye imeiva.
Guys, I'm back. I'm even like I'm shivering. Let me show you what I've bought. I've bought bananas. If you know me, you know bananas. You'll never lack bananas in my house because of the smoothie. They are 1,000 calories smoothie. So I've bought this bunch of bananas at 5 shillings each. This one's, using 50 shillings, and then this avocado. Guys, oh my God, this one is 30 shillings. Oh my God, guys, it's happening. Guys, this is huge. Like, yo, Kanje is tasting an avocado. I think I have to even untie my shirt. I have to be ready for this. It's like a battle. It's like a battle. Oh my God, what if I die before posting this video? If I die, if you don't see this video, no, Kanje ate an avocado and died. But God forbid. To fear quack. So you wash the avocado, it's big, it's juicy, guys. Woo! I see them doing this in the ads. Woo! Can I turn around? Wait, let me stop. The avocado is clean. By the way, is it supposed to be washed, or I'm just exaggerating? People who eat avocado, I feel like you like it's overrated. Like, yo. Anyway, does it taste like mango or what? Let's see, guys. Let us put these bananas here for smoothie. Let's do this, guys. The avocado is clean, as you can see. So I see, am I supposed to start from here or from here? Let's just start from here. Hey guys, it's not even straight. Look how I've cut it. Yes! Ooh, guys, look at that. Oh my god, guys. How does it look? How does it look? Oh, avocado. Oh, avocado. Guys, I'm dancing. Look at how healthy that avocado is. Like, who those people who love avocado. I know when you see this, you're like, I want to try this small piece, just a tiny piece, so that this other one, my daughter can eat it. I know she'll be so happy. It's juicy. Look at the juices, guys. My friends. It's juicy. Like, guys, let's try. I want to try this near the sink because a chick is about to explode. A chick is about to puke. Like, pray for me, guys, because I really want to start eating avocados. I don't want to be left out in this chama, in this cult of avocado, guys, Oh my god, I feel like I have to pray first. Let's close our eyes and pray. You see, even things are falling. They are like, can't you don't do this? Let's pray. Oh my god, help me so that I don't die when I eat this avocado. Help me enjoy it, because amen. Let's do this, guys. So guys, let's do this. Kikiumana tunakimbia kutema, sawa? What is kikiumana in English? If it bites each other, we run to speed. Huh? Guys, oh my god, this is happening. Guys, this is it. Yeah. Call your neighbors, call everybody. Huh? I'm just gonna try a small piece like this one. Kai, my god, Kai. Yeah. Kai. Oh my god, do I have to do this? Or we just drop this challenge and we do another video like. God, you know how much I love you. Please don't let me die. Don't let me die. Oh my god. This is it, guys. Let's count. Let's do a countdown up to 3. No, up to 5. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0.
Fire, baby.
You really have to do this, guys. Like, yo, subscribe, guys. The things I have to do, my god. The challenges, oh my god. Do this. Hi, no. This ain't happening. Hi. What do you love about avocados? Yeah. Yuck. Hi. Damn, like, wait a minute. What do you love about avocado, guys? It's nasty. It's nasty. Nasty. And to think that guys really eat this as a fruit. Like, wow, guys. I know Hey my guy, like yo, what do you like about avocado? Like, avocados are not for me. Today I put a sign. I can even write a document that never give me avocado in my life, like approved. There's nothing good about it. Comment down below if you agree. Ati guacamole, sijui tengeneza guacamole, sijui. There's nothing good about avocados. That's it. Like, if you eat avocados, big up. If you eat avocados, tell me your name down there. I'll shout you out, guys. This is special. You are so special.
Guys, I don't know who will eat this. Look at this, guys. Who will eat? Come and help my daughter to eat this avocado, cause me, I can't do this. Or I give out. And the way it looks nice, it looks healthy. I've only beat this kadogo and it was like, oh my god, like wow.
So guys, it was a bad challenge. Never again will I ever test this. Is it a fruit or a vegetable? I don't even know. Like, sorry guys if I don't like avocado, but let me just stick to my lane of bananas and mangoes. The likes of mangoes and bananas. That's it for this day. Thank you so much, guys, for the love. Subscribe if you haven't, and have a nice weekend if you're watching this on a Sunday. Have a nice weekday if you're watching this on a weekday. And I love you so much. Thank you and goodbye, guys. Let's go and look for someone to eat this, or no. By the way, watch these previous videos that are coming here on this side. Sawa. Bye.